Morning, guys. I am back out for another morning hunt. It is December 9th, and I'm going to try to put the old Mathews to work today. I put me a new sight on yesterday. I went with the Trophy Ridge Pursuit single pin, and so far it's been good. So far I like it. So let's go see if we can sling one through a deer. It's going to be a warm day today, but it's cold right now. It's in the 30s still, but it's supposed to get up in the 70s sometime today. But we'll see how it works. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, it's probably 9:15 or so, and deer's been setting an hour. And after going through there, I didn't find any blood till I got almost to the top of that hill to the side of me, and I finally run onto some blood. It was a bit, well, it's a lot less than I expected. Actually, I figured she'd just been dumping out. I thought I had a pretty good shot, but after seeing that blood, it was a bright red, had no bubbles. So I checked the video footage of it, and it looked like my shot was a bit high. So I'm gonna let her set up there a little while. I did see her at the top of that hill. And I'm not 100% sure if she was expired yet or not. So I'm not going to go up there for a little while. I'm going to let her lay a little bit longer. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to wait a while just to be sure. I don't want to push her because she's close. I can drive really close to where she's at right now. and I won't have to drag her very far. So I'm gonna leave her there. I know where she's at, and we'll just go from there. Maybe I'll go down to the pond and do some fishing for a bit or something. I'll figure something out. I can kill some time out here. You can bet, honey. I can kill some time. All right, guys, I got the doe field dressed and in the back of the truck, and I'm headed over to drop her off at Roberts now. And then I'll come back out here and eat me some lunch. I may go into town and eat lunch, but I doubt it. I smell pretty bad. So I'll probably just eat me a sandwich and kill some time and go get back in the tree and see if I can't get another one this afternoon. So stay tuned, see what happens. Alright guys, I'm back out here for another evening hunt. I got my mom set up in her spot, and I just got to the stand and got set up, I don't know, 10 minutes ago or so. I forgot to do an intro before I came to the tree, before I left the truck, so I'm doing it now. But I got a small doe this morning, a little yearling, and I'd like to get a bigger one this afternoon, or any time for that matter, because that one was a dinky one. If I'd have realized how small she was, I'd have never shot her. I'd like to have another encounter with that big buck. So maybe today's the day. I am hoping those 3 doe that passed me this morning come back through, because there were some big ones. So we'll see how it plays out. Alright guys, that's the end of my evening hunt. I came out of the woods a little before dark because I got to go up and get my mother, and I want to get her down and out before it gets too dark so it's not so hard on her. So I'm going to get on up there and get her, and I'll see you on my next trip. I had a pretty good day today. I got a little dinky doe, but that's meat in the freezer, and that's what I'm after. So thank you guys for coming along, and I'll see you on my next trip.